This is the outside box. This is the box that comes inside of it, like so, that holds the fragrance. So I did not have it inside the box. It had a signature on it, but I believe it's dry now. But that's the reason why I took it out of the box. So it has the basic, not basic, I guess. It actually has a very nice painting. I think that's part of some of the greatness of Argos fragrances. The artwork is spectacular. The attention to detail, the quality that's put in is second to none. And you really have to want to collect the bottles just for the artwork and everything in itself. The boxes are really nice. So this box has a sacred flame on the front. It has the extenuation of the picture that goes on the side, and then on the back it's got the information about the ingredients and the warnings, and also just more about the company, the address and everything like that. Barcode is right down there as well, and there you have it. We also did get a decant sample, which also has the artwork on the front of that. However, I liked it so much that I ended up getting the actual bottle, but we did get a decant of Sacred Flame. We also got a decant of the two releases that haven't come out yet, of Apollinaise and then also Charon's Veil. So here you have it, autographed. So that's great. And this is an orange, I guess it's a leathery type, but it is not actual leather. But on the front, it actually has the Argos insignia on it and name. It's got Sacred Flame signature. Nothing on the sides, nothing on top, bottom. Then it opens like this, and there you have the actual Sacred Flame. So on the inside, it does have some information about Sacred Flame, and it has the notes that are listed right here. Also, the same thing is listed on the actual decant sample. So we take it out, we take the bottle out, pause, and we now look at, this is spectacular. Basically, this is just for itself, it is worth the price of admission. The bottle is exquisite. It is a very heavy glass or crystal, not exactly sure, but the actual, then the plaque is hand painted, and that is really, really nice. Of course, at the top, it's got the Argos insignia with a little jewel right there, and Argos is written right underneath. So we will get into actual spray. So you can see the atomizers are a proprietary atomizer from Christian Petrovich himself. He actually did get a patent for this atomizer. So you can take a look at it. It is pressurized, but the interesting thing is a lot of pressurized atomizers have like a funnel spray where it goes out. This one actually goes, I don't know how he does that, but it goes out a certain way, and then it curls up to give more of distribution, which is really interesting, really interesting. So this was an incredible fragrance, and this was actually one that I decided I had to get the same day.